In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Canva designs to your marketing emails in Hubspot. We'll walk through this step by step, so you can easily bring your custom Canva graphics straight into your Hubspot email editor without needing to download and re-upload files over and over again. First, open the email you want to work on inside Hubspot. From your main navigation, go to Marketing, then Email. This takes you to your email dashboard. Find the drafted email you'd like to edit, and open it in the Hubspot email editor. Make sure you're in the drag and drop editor view so you can add and rearrange modules in your layout. Next, you need a place for your Canva design to live, and that's where the image module comes in. On the left-hand side, in the Content tab, look for the image module. Click and drag that module into your email body and drop it where you want your design to appear. You can move it above or below text, or between other sections, just like any other block. Once the image module is in place, you'll see its settings in the sidebar editor on the left. To trigger Canva from within Hubspot, click the Select Image button. If there's already an image there, you might see a Replace option instead. Either one will open the image selection panel on the right side of your screen. In that right panel, look for the Upload area and click the Upload icon. Among the options that appear, choose Design with Canva. This is what connects Hubspot directly with Canva, so you can design without ever leaving your email editor. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to log into your Canva account in the pop-up window. Now you'll choose the format for your design. A drop-down will let you pick from various design types, such as an email header or other preset sizes. Selecting the right format helps ensure your graphic fits nicely in your email without a lot of manual resizing later. When the Canva pop-up opens, go ahead and design your graphic as you normally would in Canva. Add text, images, colors, or your brand elements. Take a moment to check that everything is readable and aligned, since this will be viewed inside an email. When you're happy with the design, click Save in the top right corner of the Canva window. Canva will then send that finished design back to Hubspot automatically. Back in Hubspot, your new design will appear under Recent Images. Simply click on that image to insert it into your email. You'll see it appear inside the image module you added earlier. From there, you can adjust basic settings like alignment, size, and alt text, just as you would with any other image in Hubspot. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly create and place Canva designs directly into your Hubspot marketing emails, keeping your workflow smooth and your emails visually on brand.